Hello students, welcome to your EVS class. Hope you all are fit and fine at your home. So children, today we are going to start our book 5, and in this book there are 2 chapters, that is clothes and rooms in my house. Now we will discuss the chapter clothes. Let's start the chapter. Now, all of you take out page number 2 of your book 5. Here you see, in the beginning of the chapter, there is an exercise. And the question is, shown below are some dresses. Fill in the missing letters to complete their names. So children, here you see, some pictures are given like shirt, frock, pant. Okay. Now we have to fill these blanks to make a meaningful word. Here the first one is, this is my favorite. This is the picture of shirt. So here we have to write SHIRT. Okay. The second one is, Dad likes wearing these pants. So here PANTS. Okay. And the last one is, this is the picture of a frog. So here we have to write frog. You see, this frog is beautiful. So FROCK. Understood? So students, here the first line is, early humans covered themselves with leaves, grass and animal skin. As time passed, they learned how to make clothes. Now children, all of you look at this picture. This is the picture of an early human being. They used to cover themselves with leaves, grass and animal skin. Okay? After that, as time passes, human beings learned how to make their clothes. We need clothes to cover our body. Clothes keep us safe from heat, cold, rain and dust. So students, like food and shelter, clothes are also our fundamental need. Clothes keeps us safe from heat, cold, rain and dust. They also protect us against insect bites and minor injuries. Clothes also protect us from insect bites and minor injuries. Okay. Here the first point is our clothes and seasons. We wear different type of clothes in different seasons. So children, we used to wear different types of clothes in different seasons. Now let's move to the next page. Our clothes in the summer season. In summer, it is very hot, so we prefer to wear light cotton clothes. Cotton clothes keep our body dry and cool. So students, in summer season, it is very hot, so we used to wear light colored cotton clothes like t-shirt, pant, cotton frock, etc. Because these cotton clothes keeps our body dry and cool. Understood all of you? Now see, the next point is our clothes in the winter season. In winter it is very cold, so we prefer to wear woolen clothes. Woolen clothes keep our body warm. Children, in winter it is very cold, so we prefer to wear woolen clothes in this season like sweater, muffler, jacket, socks, hand gloves, etc. And these woolen clothes keeps our body warm. Okay? And the third one is our clothes in the rainy season. We wear raincoats and gumboots when we go out in the rain. They keep our body dry as the water does not enter these clothes. So, in rainy season, we used to wear raincoat and gumboots while we go out in the rain. These clothes keeps our body dry as the water does not enter inside these clothes. Now, let's solve this exercise. Here, the question is, look at the clothing items shown below. Write S for the clothes that we wear in summer, W in winter, and R in rainy season. Now students, here you see some pictures are given like jacket, hand gloves. Second one is cotton shirt and pant, and the third one is raincoat and gumboots. So the first one is jacket and hand gloves, and we used to wear these clothes in winter season. So here we have to write W. The second one is cotton shirt and pant, and these clothes we prefer to wear in summer season. So here we have to write S. And the third one is raincoat and gumboots, which one we used to wear in rainy season. So here we have to write R. Understood all of you? Now let's move to the next page. Now the last topic of the chapter is uniform. Some clothes tell us about the kind of work a person does. Such clothes are called uniform. So children, a uniform is a special clothing that tells us about the kind of work a person does. Understood all of you? Now see, shown below are some people wearing their respective uniform. Now all of you look at your book. Some pictures are there like nurse, soldier, postman, policeman, fireman and doctor. We come to know about their work with the help of their respective uniform. And the last line is, students of the same school wear the same uniform. So children, like you all, the student of the same school used to wear the same uniform. Now, let's discuss the book exercise. Here, the first question is question number A. Fill in the blanks. Number 1 is, we need dash to cover our body. The answer is clothes. Second one is, early humans covered themselves with dash, and the answer is lips. Third one is, we wear dash clothes in different seasons. The correct answer is different clothes. Okay. Now the fourth one is, a uniform tells us about the dash of the person wearing it. The answer is work. And the last one is, all students of a school wear same dash. The answer is uniform. Now, question number B is, write yes or no. Here, number 1 is, we wear cotton clothes in winter, and the answer is no. Second one is, woolen clothes help us stay warm, and the answer is yes. Third one is, all types of workers wear uniform. The answer is no. Fourth one is, raincoat and gumboots are worn for protection against the rain. The correct answer is yes. And the last one is policemen do not wear uniforms. The answer is no. Now, question number C is where are these worn? Think and match the following. Now, students, look at this picture. Here, number 1 is hand gloves. Second one is a cap. Third one is jacket. And the fourth one is socks. Now, we have to match these pictures with their names. So, hand gloves, it will match with hands. That is in number B. Second one, cap. It will go to C. That is head. Third one is jacket. It will match with chest. That is option number D. And the last one is socks. It will match with feet. That is option number A. Okay. Now, question number D is write 2 clothing items that you like to wear in the summer season, winter season and rainy season. Summer season, shirt and pant. Winter season, sweater and socks. And in rainy season, raincoats and gumboots. So children, now you have to read the chapter properly at home and learn the book exercise given in your assignment. Thank you.